I need
Stop
to
it.
go up and get my shit.
Turn into your
I
slime
don't know how
form.
to get struggling.
Gooey.
I don't like the way you said that.
Gooey.
I have a wife.
Oh.
Origins of Oh,
Mhm.
eat this. Actually, I need that. Don't eat that. I just opened something for you, and then I realized that's the exact item I need for what I'm doing.
I'm sorry.
What are you apologizing for? I got it.
We're not giving a fuck.
Oh! Okay, I'm banning you from all of my servers right now.
Do it.
Including this one that you're playing on.
No balls.
How dare you? I have at least 2 of those.
Get 3 and then we'll talk.
Yo, what?
What the
Wait.
fuck did you just say to me?
That's called a birth defect, bud.
Oh. He looks like a big jar. No, he looks like one of those things from World. Fuck. No. A World
My
of
fan, your
War.
English do not work.
World of War of the Worlds. Got it.
How do I talk to this person?
You can't.
Oh.
He's going.
I don't understand what Nordy is doing. I did it
Tesla
for
coil.
Nordy.
Nody, come here.
What?
I'm gonna heal you.
They do the thug shaker?
Don't kill me.
I mean, admire that cake, boy.
Okay, no more. Vamp, what the heck was
Oh,
that?
sorry. Nuclear bomb?
I love it. But before you do it, you have to say no, wait. How did she say it? Explosion.
No.
You're not my
I
friend.
refuse. What? No. Explosion.
Alright, cool, I can't see.
So enthusiastic.
You're awesome.
Why are your people here shooting at me?
What? Oh shit, homies. I have friends. That one's Janet. Bye, Janet. You were kind of a bitch. But that one was Timmy. Timmy was pretty cool. And you killed him.
I'll do it again.
You monster.
Oh, there we go.
Damage dealt 1,000,000. Cool. How much did you guys do?
Over 1,000,000.
How much did you do?
1,052,208.
Nordy?
3 million.
Ain't
Ish.
no damn way. How much do you do?
Let's not talk about how much damage I did.